How you doing? My name is Trenius Henderson. You're tuned into the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So in this video, I'm about to tell you how to prepare for your manifestation before it arrives, okay? And after this video, you will know exactly what you need to do before your manifestation arrives, okay? So stay tuned through this whole video, folks, because this is very important. This is something that you must know in order to obtain manifestations. You have to prepare for it. You have to be moving along, okay? A lot of people always say, well, Trenius, I ain't got my manifestation yet. And I always ask, man, have you prepared for it yet? Have you packed up yet? Do you really feel like you're gonna get it? Or are you acting as though you're going to get it? Or are you still doubting the universe? Folks, the universe is real. And at all times, it's always ready. It's just waiting on us. I give you an example. One time in my life, I wanted to take a trip to the beach, right? I mean, this is a point in my life where I haven't went on no vacation. I was just working back when I was working and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? And then I just woke up one morning and I was like, you know what? I'm going out of town today. I'm going out of town today. Okay? I think it was a Saturday. It was a Saturday. So I was like, I'm going out of town today. Okay? I just knew it in my soul, in my spirit. I felt it. I felt like by the end of the day, I would be at the beach. Okay, now this is what I did because I was so certain and I had to prepare before what I wanted to happen manifested. Okay, so I went to my closet. I started packing up my clothes. I started putting everything in my luggage bags and all that good stuff, packing it up, ironed some of my clothes, everything. I did everything. I washed clothes that I needed to wear when I get to the beach, got my trunks out, everything. I was ready to go. And so I put all my bags at the front door, right? But I still knew that I had to prepare, you know what I mean? So I'm thinking the whole time, I'm like, yo, the universe is going to like manifest this for me today, okay? I'm gonna have my tickets by the end of the day. And I lie to you not, I lie to you not. By the time 5 o'clock came, I had an opportunity. Somebody offered to send me some money. And don't you know, it was just the proper amount for me to book the flight and to go to the beach for the whole weekend. And I was gone that night. Now, folks, this is what I mean when you have to prepare for manifestations, okay? It ain't just gonna fall off on trees. The universe is always giving us our needs, but we have to meet the universe halfway, okay? It's funny because it's like the universe is always like, here you go, here's what you want. But are you gonna do the rest? Are you gonna take the initiative? Take the initiative to go get the thing that you already see that is yours. Okay, it's funny, man, because my mom was telling me about how this woman wanted to attract a husband into her life, right? And so she didn't know how to prepare for her manifestation, okay? Now, this woman had like a 2-car garage, right? But she would always park her car in the middle of her driveway, okay? And so somebody asked her, have you wondered how to prepare for your manifestation? And the lady said, no. My mom said, the lady said, no. And somebody told this lady, they say, well, if you want to prepare for your husband, if you really feel like you're going to attract your dream husband, how about you move the car from the middle of the driveway to the left side of the driveway? How about when you come home, instead of parking in the garage in the middle, how about you park on the left? Imagine your husband having his car and he parking beside you. And the same experience was in her closet because she had a closet full of clothes, right? She had a closet full of clothes. Now, she had not knew anything about preparing, you know, before the manifestation arrives. Until this lady had told her what my mom said. And so the lady also told her, hey, you still want to prepare for this husband, right? Why don't you straighten up your clothes in the closet and move some things around and make space for the clothes that your husband will have in the closet? And so the lady said, wow, I never thought about that. And then the other lady say, well, this is how you prepare before your manifestation arrives. Folks, it's all about action. Using the secret law of attraction, It's all about action and taking the initiative even though you don't see the results. You're never gonna have an instruction manual that tells you how to get what you wanna manifest. The universe is just like sitting back like, I got it right here in my pocket, you know, but I just wanna see if they'll actually get out and just try to go out and just try to make some sales today. How many of you seen that new 2019 Range Rover on the front of this thumbnail? Well, the truth is, one of you has already manifested that red Range Rover that's on the very front of this thumbnail, okay? That just came to me through my intuition. Somebody that's watching this video is about to manifest that new 2019 Range Rover on the very front of this thumbnail, okay? Also, let me tell you about my favorite car. Now, I'm manifesting, and I already have the Bentley, okay? But before I had the Bentley, in these times I had to prepare. You see how I'm speaking? In these times I had to prepare for my manifestation before it arrived. So things that I did in the past, you know, when I didn't have my Bentley, I would go to the Bentley dealership. You know, one time, 1 week, I would just go up there. All the dealers out there know me. They say, here come this boy again, this manifestation law of attraction YouTuber guy. And I always used to tell the dealers, I'm gonna get this Bentley. I'm gonna get this Bentley. I'm gonna get this Bentley. You know, I even sat in the Bentley. I felt it. I smelled the new car fragrance, you know. I felt the leather seats and I imagined myself having it. For those of you who follow me, you know that on Instagram, I also posted pictures, several pictures of Bentleys. For those of you who still follow me, you know that every time I get on here and I make a few videos, somewhere in one video, I'm gonna talk about a Bentley. See, before you have what you want, you have to prepare. If you know you're going to get it, you have to go and feel it. You have to touch it. You have to move in action in direction of where you wanna go. You have to move towards your goals. Once upon a time, I would never go in the Gucci store. I would never ever go in the Gucci store. But when I looked on the front of Rich the Kid's new album, The World Is Yours Too, and I saw the sneakers that he had on his feet, I say, man, what kind of sneakers are those? And it's funny because the universe told me a couple of days after on some type of website post where I seen the same exact shoe that Rich the Kid had on, and guess what it said above the shoe? It was a Gucci shoe. And I say, wow, I didn't know Gucci shoes look this exclusive. So what did I do in order to prepare for my manifestation before it arrives if I wanted those new shoes like Rich the Kid? I went to the Gucci store and I actually found the shoes that Rich the Kid wore. I tried them on, I looked at myself in the mirror and I imagined myself already having these new sneakers. Okay, see folks, this is how you prepare for your manifestation before it arrives. Now, right now, I have a Lenovo computer. Oh, man, and I love Lenovo. If you want to get a PC or, you know, laptop, folks, make sure you go out and get you a Lenovo. Very good computers. I've actually had my Lenovo computer for like 2 years now, and it still functions properly. I had not one problem out of it, okay? But one thing I'm doing is I'm manifesting, somebody already guessed it, I'm manifesting a Mac laptop, okay? That's what I'm gonna get. So every time I look at my Lenovo when I'm typing on it, I always think about it as a Mac laptop. And guess what the universe does now that I'm preparing for my manifestation to arrive? Sometimes I'm just like you, I'll watch videos on YouTube with some of the people that I follow. They show footage of their Mac laptop, okay? So always remember this, folks, even after this video, now that you know how to move in a direction of your manifestation before it arrives, you have to meet the universe halfway. Same time, man. Same time. 50-50, man. Same time, man. You know what I'm saying? The universe gives you something, you have to give the universe action, initiative, okay? You have to prepare yourself. If you want to become more healthier, if you want to become more vitality, you want to be more invigorated or rejuvenated. I like to make up words. Folks, you have to eat in moderation, you know? You have to Go and get you a health magazine and just look at how some people's lifestyles are. People who take real good care of themselves. You know, I want to be healthier, or I want to be even more healthier than I am now. So what did the universe do? It put some healthy people around me. Oh, she's working out. You see your friend right here? He just said he's working out. Trenius, are you working out? You know, I am going to. Okay, here goes another friend right here. Here goes another friend who just met at the lounge. Yep, she works out every single day. And she's a lot older than you, Trenius. Are you still going to prepare for your manifestation? Of course I am. Of course I am, folks. So this is how you prepare for your manifestation before it arrives, okay? So if this message resonated with you folks, give this video a thumbs up. Better yet, speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below and say, I am preparing. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below to confirm in the universe, I am preparing. Okay? And I can guarantee you folks, if you meet the universe halfway by going out of your way, moving in a direction towards your goal or the desired outcome, you will always manifest what it is that you want to manifest using the secret law of attraction. And when that manifest come, you're gonna be like, ew, that's mine, give me that. Is that mine? Give me that, ew, that's my manifestation. Ew, I'm gone. Hey, make sure y'all share this video, man. Love y'all so much. It's Trenius Henderson. Make sure you subscribe to my channel up there by clicking my face icon. Hit the bell notification so that you can be notified on your cell phone every time I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next video. Ew.